Have you ever wondered why some students study day and night, yet still fail their exams? They spend hours reading, highlighting, memorizing, but when the results come out, disappointment hits. It's not because they are lazy or not smart. The truth is, studying hard doesn't always mean studying smart. In this video, let's uncover why most students fail even when they study hard, and how you can avoid the same mistake.
Number 1. No clear strategy. Most students don't have a study plan. They just pick up their books and start reading whatever feels right at the moment. But exams test specific skills and patterns. Without a clear timetable or focused approach, they waste time on the wrong topics. And by the time the exam comes, they realize they never practiced the actual questions that matter. Before you start reading, plan what to study, when to study it, and how you'll test yourself after.
Number 2. Passive learning. Many students confuse reading with learning. They read notes, highlight everything, and feel confident. But during the exam, their mind goes blank. That's because their study method was too passive. To truly learn, you need to engage your brain actively through practice questions, explaining the topic aloud, or teaching it to someone else. The more your brain struggles to recall, the stronger your memory becomes.
Number 3. Cramming instead of consistency. Another big mistake: cramming everything the night before. Cramming creates short-term memory, but exams require understanding and long-term recall. Successful students spread their learning over days or weeks. Even 30 minutes a day for 10 days beats 10 hours of all-night reading. Consistency always wins over intensity.
Number 4. Ignoring practice and feedback. Many students study but never test themselves. They avoid practice tests because they are afraid of scoring low. But that's exactly how you find your weak points. Feedback, whether from mock exams, teachers, or past questions, is what turns effort into improvement. Without it, you're just repeating the same mistakes.
So remember, hard work is important, but smart work is the secret. Plan your study, use active recall, stay consistent, and test yourself often. Don't just read, learn strategically. Because success isn't about who studies the longest, it's about who studies the right way. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more student success tips.